crazy game. I'm playing like Build a Boat for Treasure, and this guy's being toxic. Like, bro's annoying us. You. Like, bro, I reported him and still does not want to stop. I made them stuck. Bro, you're stuck. I'm recording you right now, bro. I'm recording you right now, bro. I don't care about your silly plan, bro. I'm just gonna walk, bro. Like, bro, why you keep bullying us? Bro, bullying us, bro. Die, bro. Stop bullying us. And, or else. Bro, okay, the back areas, bro. Yeah. I can do this. I can do this. Alright, guys. This guy keeps bullying us. But don't worry, guys. We're about to bonk him. Already reported him, but I don't want to stop. Oh my god, bro, just stop. Everybody, I'm gonna tell everybody that you are bullying. Bullying us. Guys, you better dislike this guy if he has a channel. Like, bro, bullying. This is not even a PvP game, right, guys? Alright, guys. We're just gonna take this guy in our way. We don't care. We're just gonna keep building. No stop. Bro, dude, we need transparent blocks. We need some more transparent blocks, my bro. Bro, we need more transparent blocks. Bro, we need more transparent blocks. Bro. Guys, if you want to see my brother's voice, can you please ask him to just voice review because we need his help right now. He does not want to voice reveal even if we're playing this game and this. Bro. We need another propeller over the back. We need another propeller over here. We have like one brain just use it, bro. Oh my god. Alright, we have a thing here. Bro. Yo, can you break these two blocks over here? I'm too fat. I'm just too fat. Bro, stop! Hey, bro. Alright, bro. Let's see the game. Okay, bro. Okay, save the game. Save the game when I say so. Alright, bro. Ready to save the game, bro? Alright, bro. Save the game in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you Alright, my brother's speaking now. Anyways, guys, this is all for now. Okay, bye, guys.